Okay, example 2, use long division, divide 8x cubed plus 64y cubed by 2x plus 4y. So we're dividing 2x plus 4y on the outside and 8x cubed, leave a bunch of space, plus 64y cubed. Okay, again, the division process is what it has been. And what it has been is we take the first object divided by the first object. This time the first object has a 2 and an x, so we've got to divide the numerical value by 2 and the x power by x to the first, so you're going to drop the power by 1. So when I divide 8x cubed divided by 2x, 8 divided by 2 makes positive 4, x cubed divided by x makes x squared. So it's just division of monomial structures, numbers divide numbers, letters divide letters, all the pieces put together to make the final result. Again, two positives make a positive. We multiply answer times the entire divisor. Again, we only divide by the first, we multiply by both. 4x squared times 2x makes 8x cubed. 4x squared times 4y makes 16x squared y, which is not a y cubed term, so it's going to go in the gap. Next thing I do is subtract. Subtraction is changing signs. 8x cubed becomes negative, 16x squared y becomes negative. Positive 8x cubed minus 8x cubed cancels. Nothing minus 16x squared y makes negative 16x squared y. And do be careful with signs, that is a negative number there. I'm going to bring 64y cubed down, continuing to keep space in between because I'm not sure how soon it'll be before y cubed shows up. Next thing, I've got the next divide or dividend, right? I take the first thing divided by the first thing. Negative 16 divided by positive 2 makes negative 8. X squared divided by x makes x to the first, and y divided by nothing makes y. So negative 8xy is the quotient. We take the quotient answer times both pieces of the divisor. Negative 8xy times 2x makes negative 16x squared y. Negative 8xy times positive 4y makes negative 32xy squared. That is not y cubed, so I did not put it underneath the y cubed. I subtract. Subtraction is changing sign. 16x squared y becomes positive. 32xy squared becomes positive. Negative and positive 16x squared y cancel. 32xy squared plus 64y cubed. Again, keeping space in there just in case. Got a feeling that the next one's going to be right where it's supposed to be, but again, leaving some space just in case. 32xy squared positive divided by positive 2x. So 32 divided by 2 makes positive 16. X divided by x cancels, and then y squared. We multiply 16y squared times both pieces. 16y squared times 2x makes 32xy squared. And 16y squared times 4y makes 64y cubed, which matches up, right? And it does match up number and letter, but again, worry about the letter itself. Once you get a y cubed, it matches up y cubed. That's what we're looking for. So we can line those up now. Subtraction is changing signs. 32xy squared becomes negative. 64y cubed becomes negative. These are opposites. They cancel. These also are opposite. They cancel, leaving a remainder of 0. Remainder of 0 simply means my quotient is what it is up there. No remainder term necessary.